Hello all. In this video, I'm going to explain pointers in C programming. What is a pointer? It stores the address of another variable. The variable can be a type of integer, character, function, array, etc. A pointer is nothing but it stores the address of another variable. For example, I have a variable with the name A. The value of A is 5 and the address of the variable is, for example, PB3. Pointer, I have a pointer with the name P. It's a variable. Here, I'm going to store address of another variable. Here, address is BB3. I'm storing address of another variable. And here, P also will have its own address like FNF1. I'm not storing the variable value. It's a variable 5 is a variable value and PVB3 is the address. So here I'm storing the address of the variable A is nothing but pointers. We can create pointers to integer numbers, characters, functions, arrays. Let's see the example how to create pointers to an integer number. For example, here I have int A is equal to 5 value. Now I am going to create a pointer value to my value A. So the declaration, the syntax is data type, star symbol, and pointer name. So here I'm going to create a pointer for this variable, data type integer, pointer symbol, and I want to P. Now I'm going to assign value. But here I have to mention address of A. Address of A denotes with ampersand symbol. So instead of assigning is normal variable, I'm going to assign address of a variable into a pointer. So this is a declaration of an pointer. So we can create pointer variable to character also. Character star, you can give any value like this. This is the example of declaring a pointer. So the symbol is indirection operator. Indirection operator. The symbol that we are using in a pointer star is called as indirection operator. The size of the pointer will always depends on architecture. If you are using 32-bit architecture operating system, the size of a pointer is 2 bytes. If you are using 32-bit architecture, then the size of a pointer is 2 bytes. Let's see the example of a pointer. I want to write a program to swap two numbers without using a third variable. Here I'm going to declare A value 5, B value 10. We know the swapping, right? Without using third variable. If I have A value 5, B value 10, what is the swapping? Exchanging the values, right? Expecting output like A value should be 10, B value 5. What is the logic without using third variable? Logic is A is equal to A plus B, B is equal to A minus B, A is equal to A minus B. So that you will get this output without using third variable. we can swap the two numbers. This is the logic. I'm using the same logic in this pointer program. But here I'm going to declare pointer values. So syntax is data type. I want integer type, and indirection operator. Here I'm taking first pointer as a p1, and I'm going to assign address of a value. And I'm going to take one more pointer value for b, that is p2, and address of b I'm storing in p2. So we can call it as a and we can call it as a b. Now I have to apply p1 and p2 in this logic. So first a is nothing but p1 plus indirection operator p2. That is the first logic line. The second logic line p2 p1 minus pointer of p2, p1 indirection symbol point of star of b2. So I applied my pointer values on these three lines. I have done the three lines logic. Now I'm going to print after swapping I need to call two values, right? P1 comma P2. That's it. So you will get swapping of two numbers. This is a program of pointers to swap two numbers without using third variable. This is the example program. After swapping, you will get the values like after swapping. Five, 10. This is the output of this program. After swapping, you will get this line. Then it will call the first P1. P1 value should be 5 and P2 value should be 10. So if you apply the values in this logic, let me apply. A value is 5 plus 10. So A will become 15. 15 minus B value is 10. 15 minus 10, B value is 5. A value, current A value 15 minus current B value is 5, 10. So B value is 5, A value is 10. So I got the expected output. So 5, A value 5, B value 10. So this is an example program of pointers to swap two numbers without using third variable. Next concept, null pointers. A pointer that is not assigned any value but null is known as null pointer. If you don't have any address to be specified in the pointer at the time of declaration, you can use null value. How to declare a null value? We have to give the data type, indirection symbol, pointer value is equal to, you have to pass the null value. So example, int, indirection symbol, pointer value p, and you can pass null. Null pointer definition is a pointer that is not assigned any value, but null is known as null pointer. Thank you, everybody.